Mayday, 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 Cabo 846. We have cargo smoke, descending 70, and we need landing as soon as possible.
Cabo 846, descend 2,700 feet, QNH 1005.
Descending 2,700 and QNH 1005, Cabo 846. To land, Cabo 846, confirm 36 right.
Cabo 846, runway 36 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 36 right, Cabo 846. Cabo 846, upon arrival, we need fire brigade for inspection.
Cabo 846, roger.
46 landed 23, taxi to stand 12, taxiway is Zulu, correction, uniform, Sierra, November, Papa, and report any assistance required.
Uniform Sierra November, Papa, stand 12, Cabo 846. Cabo 846, we need inspection right now for the smoke and a forward cargo area.
Roger, understand you're requesting inspection of the runway or inspection around the aircraft.
You understand that there is a risk that we are on fire. Please check the aircraft, Arabia or Jinnah.
Roger.
46, we continue to the stand 12 or we should stop it here.
So Cabo 846, your discretion, sir. If you feel comfortable, you can stop over here.
Yes, sir, Cabo 846.
Confirm you requesting disembarkation at present position?
Hold on. Cabo 846, we're going to do emergency evacuation on November.
Roger, emergency evacuation and report any other assistance required for emergency evacuation. Roger, Cabo 846, report when any other assistance is required.
But it's to be fire brigade on a standby in this area.
5 vehicles are already around you and they are requesting to kindly decrease the throttle.
501, establish stock lines at 365.
Cabo 501, cancel approach and turn left, hold present position.
Turn left, hold present position, OCA 501.
OCA 501, climb 3000.
Climb to 3000, OCA 501.
Cabo 846, confirm switched off engine.
OCA 501, can you carry out from present position, continue approach runway 36 right? Just informed, runway is clear now.
Okay, we can continue approach OCA 501.
501, roger, report leaving on glide and emergency evacuation in progress on taxiway November.
Okay, evacuation, alright, understood, evacuation is on November, OCA 501.
On taxiway November.
OCA 501.